Okay, so in our first task, number 1, it says zoom, zoom, zoom. So we are going to learn how to zoom in and zoom out. It says directions, use the zoom feature to zoom in on the sentences so you can read them. And then it gives us a picture of what we're going to be looking at. So right here, those 3 dots, we're going to go there, and then down where it says zoom, we're going to go to the negative and we're going to go to the plus and see what happens. So actually it's up here, right underneath your X to get out of things. Again, do not click on that, otherwise it's going to close your template down, and then you're going to have to go into your Google Drive to pick it up, because otherwise you will make an extra copy if you go back through your presentation. Every time you go into the presentation, you are making a new copy. So if you go back to the presentation right now and click on that, then you'll have 2 copies. If you go back and click on it, then you'll have 3 copies. And it'll be very difficult to find the one you want. So again, do not click on that X because you will lose it. Do not click on this X because you will lose your copy. And then you'll have to go into your Google Drive right here, and you'll have to actually look for your Google Drive. I have it marked here. But you'd have to go into your Google Drive and actually make a new one, okay? So again, 3 dots right here, and then right here where it says zoom. So first of all, let's make it small. Oh, everything's getting tiny, making it hard to read those sentences now. Okay, and we can go large. Let's go back to 100. And go up a little bit larger, a little bit larger, a little bit larger, a little bit larger. Okay, I'm going to go right here. Yeah, we can still go larger, so back up to those 3 little dots. And let's see here. So at a 300, we can actually read it. It says, the dog likes to run and play. I like to go fishing with my dad. The black cat went home. So if you wanted it larger, you could go larger. Again. Okay. And then go back to small. And that's how you do it. Okay. So that is how zooming takes place on a Google Doc.